Tired of scrolling through social media without any rewards? Discover the groundbreaking free app that transforms your engagement into real rewards. In this video, we unveil how this innovative social media platform incentivizes users to watch, share, and upload videos, as well as complete surveys and offers. Imagine earning while you interact with content you love. Don't miss out. Watch now to learn how you can start earning today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine getting paid for what you already do every day. Lit.it is a revolutionary social media app that transforms the way you engage with online content. Watch videos, answer surveys, and complete offers, all while earning real rewards. It's simple. The more you interact, the more you earn. The app runs on its own cryptocurrency, Lit.it tokens, which you can trade for other cryptocurrencies or cash on trading platforms. It's available everywhere. You can earn rewards just by watching videos featured in the app. When you first log into the Lit.it app, it'll ask what kind of videos you're into. Feel free to pick as many categories as you like. Once you've picked your categories, you'll see all the related videos pop up. To start racking up points, just hit play on a video. You'll notice a progress bar with a Lit.it icon in the top right corner. When it makes a full circle, you'll score 1 Lit.it point. Sharing and uploading videos works the same way. You'll rack up Lit points when other members watch your videos. Plus, you can snag some rewards by completing paid offers from their offer wall. It's pretty straightforward. Usually, you'll just need to download and install a mobile app to earn those rewards. You can make some extra cash by taking paid surveys. Plus, there's a referral program where you can snag more rewards by sharing your referral link with friends. If you've got Lit.it tokens, you can trade them for BNB on platforms like Crypto.com or Binance and then switch to USDT if you're looking to cash out. Just remember, you'll need a crypto wallet to pull out your earnings. Picture this, scrolling through your favorite videos and actually receiving rewards for your time. Join a thriving community of users who are already reaping the benefits of their daily social media habits, turning leisure time into profit. Don't miss out. Download Lit.it today and start earning rewards instantly. The sooner you join, the more you can earn. Why wait? Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.